XFA time. Trade of it. Let's go. Okay, so I think I am officially flipping bullish. That was a VWAP projection. But on a bearish day, I really don't know. We got to wait and see what happens right here. But from the looks of it, it looks like we're going to be actually going back to the highs of the day. Or at least the 670, 660 levels is what I'm assuming. But a fatty drop does make sense to keep the trend. We're gonna, oh shit. We're gonna take longs here for the curl back up.
Order filled.
Let's make sure we have all three accounts here though. Oh, we don't. Fuck me. Boo-boo.
Order filled.
We gotta click this. Okay. Now we're gonna be good. Okay. So we'll wait for this little drop to happen, I guess. Because we might be wrong at longs. I'm assuming this 15-minute candle is going to close red, and then we'll bullish engulfing it. But if this 15-minute candle gets fucking massive, then we might actually be headed back down. So let's wait and see what the price action says. Because we did get our impulse move up to break the downtrend temporarily. And we may just be continuing it. Way above VWAP on NQ.
We were rejected VWAP on ES.
I think we're headed back down, dude.
I think overall, I'm definitely still bearish.
Yeah, me too. I think
like
we're headed back down.
Where it's like, again, like I really wanted to see ES go and test 5K before I got short, but I just got short.
Oh, you're short already, too? Hell yeah, yeah. I'm hitting these shorts too.
I saw a 5-minute engulfing, bearish engulfing, after that VWAP test, so. And the liquidity below supports that, the idea of a short, so.
Yeah, on a bearish day, on a bearish day, it makes sense.
So, you know, I haven't looked at the NQ daily candle, but ES daily candle definitely has more that it can run. I mean, it's like 0.6% of a move today, whereas previous days are up above a 1% move on ES. So I think there is still space to move down on ES. But let me look at NQ daily.
I'm just bearish overall, so I think we do dumb. What the fuck is this? It's a trend line. Alright, this is kind of hard to see.
We've only moved 1% on the daily candle
Oh my god.
on NQ.
We did tap fucking major support at 79 here. But I'm just so fucking bearish that I think we're literally just gonna fucking be dropping hard as fuck. I mean, why did all the fucking billionaires sell all their shares or sell most of their portfolio? I mean, it just makes sense. Intraday.
Yeah, there was a bunch of news over the weekend about that, huh?
Yeah. Intraday,
it's gold.
Yeah, intraday. It's a little more complicated because we could go up, but I don't think so. Not from this point. I think we got our momentum move up, and we're gonna keep crashing to lower lows today. We could double top here, which I kind of expected earlier. I'm wondering if I get out of this and re-enter at the top. Play it safe, but is it even gonna get back up there? Risk how many points? Risk 30 points? Ah, fuck. It's kind of a lot to risk.
I'm going through that similar thought process where it's like, okay, well, let the market come to you. Well, I definitely, I'm not letting the market come to me because originally I want to short from 5K. So
I got out because I'm going to short this double top instead of fucking taking this entry. I don't want to risk 30 fucking points just in case. You know what I mean? I'd rather take the sick entry over a wishy-washy entry. So it would be a nice long scalp, but fuck, those long scalps have burned me. So I'm not doing that. The 15-minute is looking bullish as fuck, and same with the hourly. I'm wondering if shorts are even a play. I mean, it makes a lot of fucking sense that we keep the fucking downtrend going. I think, yeah, we're gonna take this play at the double top. We'll go for the short.
Is it gonna double top at 600?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll probably sweep 600. And yeah, that's gonna be our entry. Technically, it didn't hit 600. It hit 598.
Gotcha.
So I'm assuming it's gonna sweep 600, and then we come back down. Shit, we'll even get that high? Should.
See, this is the moment where I start to like, all right, well, I can feel myself getting burnt because the thought that pops in my head is, wow, I had a good short and I didn't take profit. And once that starts happening, that's not like, you know,
Confidence destroyer, yeah.
yeah, you just start to snowball in a bad way or spiral.
Yeah, I fucking started spiraling when fucking that NQ fucking order filled. I was like, what?
Oh no.
It fucking pissed me off. But that's okay, just fucking recoup and fucking make some badass trades. That's what I'm doing. And this long scalp seems pretty fucking legit. We could risk 12 points to make 30 and then go short. If it really is bearish, then I don't even know if we will make the double top.
Yeah, I see, like, ESVWAP is kind of holding us down.
ES is turning into a fucking nice downtrend. So, yeah, so is on Q actually. Just on the 1 minute though. 5 minute too, actually. No, on the 5 minute just looks like a consolidation, possibly to a curl. We'll take the long. We're gonna risk the fucking 13 points to make the 30. I like the odds of that. Let's fucking go. Ah. Hungry? Nah. Okay, deal. Yes. I am hungry.
Did you just say you're not hungry and then immediately like, I am hungry?
Yeah, chicken soup sounds good. So yeah, I'm hungry. I'll eat that.
Note to self, just tell Kyle what the food is. And he'll be hungry.
Well, soup sounds nice because it's like soup. You know what I mean? Like even if I'm not hungry, like some soup, it just sounds good. Yeah, it's not gonna like make me full and like you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I'm just gonna put my do I want to put the yeah, we'll put the sell there. For the sweep though. Hard stop down there.
This is the other reason why I took the short, is because that engulfing candle on the 5 minute happened after the top of the hour, like was the next candle after the top of the hour, and I really like taking the engulfing candle trade after that time, whether it does spur reversal or a continuation. I mean, I guess technically this still would be the reversal from that pullback and a continuation back down.
Yeah, I see that too. Fuck me, I wonder if this actually does want a double top. I mean, regardless, we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I think we are coming down at some point. I don't think it'll be this easy though. Hit the double top and then we can come down. We just swept the low on NQ. So we can't push down, then the double top play should be in full effect. Ooh, thank you, my baby. Oh, hot as fuck.
You have to blow and see. You hungry or not?
I'm a little bit hungry now.
Blow first. Just a bit.
Just a bit. Your heart's already broken, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, no, it's not. No.
They do that for hours.
Oh my gosh. Check this out. We got a little carrot heart. Oh my god. Maybe I'm gonna eat your heart right now. Nom nom nom. Heart's delicious, baby. Yeah, I think we have a full-blown double top play here. Woo. Makes me wonder if we're just gonna continue up. I mean,
I see a lot of indecision for sure.
this is a pullback from our recent run up. So I mean, I could totally see it. I'm just gonna keep my trailing stop and see how long it could run up for. Fuck it.
Yeah, I could see it like a second leg up. Is that
Yeah.
what you mean?
Mm-hmm. But also, if we break above 600, then we're in fucking FEG land on NQ. We fucking fill up those FEGs, we fucking fly. Could just be completely wrong on the bear bias. I mean, the bearish move technically already happened. I think it still has more room to go down, but
like looking at the daily candle, I do still see more downside room. Doesn't mean it's going to, but I do see, like it could. I definitely think it could continue to go lower.
I see that too. I'm like fucking. I'm split right now. Is he gonna fucking?
I know, and like that's the thing is like, okay, well when we're split like this, where it's like, okay, well, should we be even trading? Is the question.
Yeah, this might just be a $200 profit day and call it.
Like I had a nice short. I had a really nice short actually, and like I'm glad that I was in the short. Obviously, I didn't take profit. I ended up breaking even, but it's like one of those things where you have only so much focus, and how much do you want to actually risk on a day where, like you said, it's almost like a flip a coin right now. There's a lot of indecision. I see liquidity below. I could see it wanting to go back up to retest some levels, and that's where it's like we're kind of diddling in the middle.
I mean, right now, short term, this is a curl for a bullish, a little run up. But if it doesn't break the highs, then I think fucking like if it double tops here, then I'd be down to go fucking full port short, dude. For the fucking drop through the fucking floor. But right now, I mean, it's just consolidating, getting ready for another run up. But if this run up fails, then I think it's like 80% chance we dump through the fucking bottom. And that would be a fucking badass play. It's it's not like it's chopping around, you know what I mean? Like, we know what's going to happen next. It's going to pop up a little bit, right?
Yeah. It's looking like there's going to be... Like, I mean, I guess this would be a bull flag on the 5-minute looking at it.
Yeah. But if it doesn't break through, then we got ourselves a fucking short play. But the soup is actually really good. Too late. My fucking trailing stop keeps on moving up. I feel like it's gonna wick me out. You might get your drop here, bud.
Yeah, it's like one of those. It's like one of those days where I don't feel like this trade. I don't feel great about. Whereas like that first short I was in, I was like, okay, even though I didn't get my full profit target and I let it run all the way back on me, I still felt good about it. This is like one of those ones where it's like I don't.
Order filled.
I don't feel good about it.
Yeah. Oh.
Stop filled.
I'm
Order
stopped.
filled.
Just taking fucking L's. Big rip.
I mean, if I look at that 30-minute, I'm like, okay, we had a pretty gnarly rejection candle, bullish close, pause. I thought that we would have went up more.
I thought we were gonna go for the double top before a drop, but unless that was
In
just
this
fucking breakout.
candle, I would have thought that we would have went up sooner at least. I mean, again, there's 30 minutes to this candle, so it still can, but
This is another bearish engulfing right here. Unless this gets wicked up, we're fucking crashing through the fucking floor. I didn't think it was gonna happen this early though.
nice Supra. I think that's a good move. I think I can definitely concur on calling it. Like I'm almost to that point myself right now. I can feel myself getting mentally fatigued.
Yeah, I'm fucking fried. But holy fuck, I'm down $890 on the XFA. Fuck me. I wanna make this $200 profit on the day, and then I'm gonna be done. But now I gotta make 1100, which the short play would pay for it. This looks like it's gonna go right through the fucking floor. Is chasing a good idea? This is like what, second time that a long scalp didn't work out for me. I just gotta stop doing that.
I know. Well, but we know like structure's bearish as fuck, right?
Yeah.
Like we know at this point.
But we knew we were going down. we knew it.
It retested this this area. You know, I want to say that, but at the same time, I thought your long scalp was gonna work. If I base it off of like the 30-minute ES chart, I thought your long scalp was gonna work.
Right?
Not gonna lie.
I had pretty good confidence in it too. Any other day it might, but not today.
Yeah.
You know, this is the point where I don't know what to do. I would rather chase shorts than take a fucking long, but fucking momentum's going out the window.
Well, we just closed.
Yeah, super bearish engulfing.
Super bearish
Yeah.
on that 5-minute.
I guess chasing the shorts is a good idea.
I mean, I believe that this is the momentum to go finally take that 49.81, the 49.80 area on ES. At the very least, if it continues momentum, could get down to like the 70 area.
I agree. I'm gonna get in shorts here on this pop up. Is that all she wrote for the pop up? I feel like this is kind of chasing. But if it got up to like 540-ish and didn't break it, I'll take shorts. There's the pop up. Not breaking it. All right, we're taking shorts. Aiming for the low. I'm gonna add one more con here too. Damn, this is a little more bullish than I thought though. What the fuck?
Good old NQ, huh?
Yeah.
Whip it! Whip it!
Little pop. Might just take the one con, yeah. We could add the second. Yeah, if I go, we'll add the second one for the drop. Fucking better not consolidate over here. Man, now it just gets crazy bullish. If it breaks any higher, I gotta fucking take another L.
30 seconds on the 5-minute.
It's closing green as fuck.
Are you watching? I quit watching. The lowest time frame I watch now is 5-minute.
I'm watching the 5-minute as well right here.
Order filled.
Alright, we'll go 3 cons for the fucking drop. Get 1 green dildo. Bearish engulfing next.
Damn, printed a doji on the 5-minute. That kind of fucking sucks.
And Q doesn't have a doji as a fucking green dildo.
Does it?
Yeah. But that doesn't really mean shit.
Just sucks when you see like good momentum and then the next candle has none.
And that's classic. The bounce candle closes green and then boom, bearish engulfing. I'm convinced we're going through the floor. It's just a matter of when, I guess, though.
I know.
Do we come back up for the double top now? Like, shit.
And we're getting close to lunchtime.
Yeah, 20 minutes to lunch.
Making it fucking...
If it breaks my trend line, I'm just gonna have to fucking bail for another L. And then I think I'm just gonna fucking stop for the day, dude. I think I'm just getting way too burnt out.
Yeah.
Could see 2 5-minute green boys before bearish engulfing. But I'm not gonna stick around and wait for that.
Would be like a true bear flag again.
Yeah. It stops right here. Oh my god, my trailing. I gotta turn off the trailing. I just want my okay. I guess we're doing manual stop above that little high right there.
Dump it.
Dump it to the lows.
Two minutes on this 15-minute.
Go straight down.
I'm gonna at least protect my account at this point.
I'm more than likely, if this doesn't work, I'm fucking taking an L. But I mean, it's a bearish day, so I think we should at least hit those fucking lows. Are we gonna break through them?
Yeah,
Maybe.
this is definitely my last trade until after lunch. I will probably wait until 2 p.m. Eastern before I look at the charts again.
Yeah, I'd be down for that too. About to hit my stop loss. Reject this shit, man. It's got 30 seconds on the 5 minutes.
I know. I hate the start of the next candle.
Yeah, it fucking jukes you out. Ah, fuck.
Mm-hmm.
There goes my
Fail.
stop. Fucking big L. Yeah, that's too many L's today. Literally since New York, I've just been taking L after L after L. So I think we are done. And this is probably gonna be the fucking top wick. That's the third one today, bud.
Oh no.
Fucking hard life. That's okay.
You did say two green candles and then a dump, right?
Yeah. It's usually how it goes. I probably could have held a little bit longer, but I also don't want to risk taking a huge L.
Still sitting here at not seeing like a massive rejection on yes. What's the volume in this candle? Let's see. 15K. 5. Hey, hey, hey! Alright, I'm gonna set my break even to, sorry, my stop to break even and just close it out. I'm gonna close the charts, let it play out. Honestly, even like that would have been stopped out a few times now.
This is actually looking bullish now, huh? I wonder if we're just bullish.
Well, we could see another downside, a small downside leg to sweep the lows on ES.
It tried.
That's really what I'm looking for.
Yeah, this is at a level where I have no fucking idea what's gonna happen.
Yeah. But that's also why at this point in this trade I set stop to break even, and I'm just gonna, it's either gonna stop me out and I'll be scratch on the day, or it's gonna hit my 81.25 target. Yeah, well, I guess 81 target is really, but could absolutely see this just dicking around for the rest of lunch and then maybe making the move after lunch.
I mean, this is what, upward chop, which is bearish. Fuck, I want to take these shorts again. But we'll take
Order
two
filled.
cotton shorts. I think this is going to dump here. This will be the last trade. Stop back above 55. I want to see one nice move before lunch. Wants to dump so bad. We're getting red arrows too on the 5 minute. Now the question is, are we going to double bottom or are we actually going to the lows?
I guess I'm married to the idea that if
Breaking
ES
lows?
goes down to the lows, it's going to sweep that. It's going to grab that 81 liquidity. Or attempt to, but I don't know.
I'm with you on that, actually.
I just don't. I still just don't love this short. Like, I really liked my short earlier, but not this one, to be honest. It's like,
I mean, I think we're going with the trend of the day, so I think this is a good short. We're approaching lunchtime, so I'm wondering if we're going to have the volume to push through the bottom, or if or that's going to happen in the afternoon.
yeah, I know. That's the other thing. Yeah, we're getting so close to lunch that I'm like, it like sucks to sit here and want to hold through lunch because I definitely. Well, I mean,
I'm not going to hold through
my
one.
stops like this, but if it doesn't move in like the next 15 minutes, 20 minutes, I don't know if it will until after lunch.
Yeah, I'm not going to hold through lunch. So, it needs to happen, yeah, in like the next 15, 20 minutes. But look at these wicks already. It's turning into a failed push down. On a 2 minute time frame. I gotta stop trading on a 2 minute, huh? I like the idea of only trading on the 5. But on N2, I feel like it could be messy.
I feel like the lower time frames can. I just know how I am right now. And right now, I will be the first to admit that I'm overly emotional in my trading. Knowing that, I feel like if I watch anything lower than the 5 minute, it's going to make it worse.
Mm. I'm kind of with you there right now. Maybe it's because I'm in a loss right now, but yeah, just watching these fucking candles on the 2 minute.
It's like,
Well, that's why
It's,
it changed from 1 minute to 2 minute, because the 1 minute's just too fucking wild. The 2 minutes at least decent. Maybe even go up to 3 minutes. But 2 minutes what I always traded with options too. We're getting our double bottom here.
I do like that we just closed below this 87 level on ES.
Yeah, it seems
I
like
see liquidity starting to stack at 8250. I hate that. Don't stack liquidity in front of my target.
they'll move it, I'm sure, once we get closer.
Dude, there's so many times where I've seen that and it goes down and just takes out liquidity and then reverses
No, really?
instead of hitting the actual target.
Shit. I'm down to just fuck off with my trailing stop.
Dude, I'm at the point where I'm like, just fucking do it already, because I'm getting so impatient.
I mean, we have 4 minutes till top of the hour. I'm assuming we're gonna hit the bottom by then.
ES is getting close. Just do it already.
There's the dumper on ES.
Come on.
What do you?
I just want.
Oh, 82 is the fucking low. It's a weak low, it says. Is the liquidity moving?
I have 81 is really my target, but I'll take 81.25.
Well, 82 is where the liquidity is. So if it's gonna break 82, then it should dump past 81, dude.
The issue that I have, so we have 750 contracts sitting at 81. Like, there's a lot. There's a lot of liquidity at 81, 80, and then 76, 73, and 70. So, I'm kind of what my plan, if the time wasn't what it was right now, what I would look for is it to push through 81, push past 81, and then come up and retest it. And if I see it retest, that's where I would re-enter. But I want to make sure that it doesn't push through, bounce up, and then liquidity. A lot of times if you see liquidity added back right after liquidity is taken, that's a sign of a rejection.
It makes sense, but what I'm seeing, dude, is if it breaks 82, it's going past 81.
We might not break 82.
Good.
Fuck, man. There's a part of me that just wants to take it and run today.
Do it. Fuck it. No need to be greedy. But I think this is a solid play, dude. I think we're gonna rip through 82 and fucking keep going, dude. It just seems like that kind of day. We already had our upward move. I mean, are we gonna get another fucking giant upward move? It seems very unlikely. Unless this, of course, double bottom.
I can see this liquidity being taken at this 81 level. Like, that's a lot of liquidity.
It's getting moved? It got removed?
Oh, no.
It's still there?
It's still there.
That does kind of scream out double bottom.
Here, let me share my screen real quick.
Got it.
It's gonna look kind of weird because it's a vertical, but
There's 81. Fucking ate up that
So,
liquidity, huh?
you see this 81? Oh, it just stopped me out, or I just got my target. You see this liquidity here that I'm looking at though? This is what.
Still sitting?
Yeah. So it's there it went. It just took it. So now, what I want to see is, do we start to move back up from here, or if it just takes that liquidity and just continues? I want to see it retest it really, and
Getting a little lick bounce?
yeah, that's what I guess really taking profit here is protecting myself no matter what, and that's how I see it, right?
Yeah.
Like, okay, so now I think that was
ripped
your
through.
re-entry there.
Boom.
So 76 would be the next level.
Which is gonna be NQ's fucking low of the day. I might take profit at that.
There is liquidity stacked all the way down to 497. So when it took this
I took
big
my
chunk of
profit early.
liquidity, and it popped back up, but there was no liquidity re-added, I probably should have re-entered short, but I'm happy that I finally got my target, so it's a W for me at this point.
Yeah, that's a fucking W all around. I pretty much made back all my losses. I still need $400 on the day though. $500. Yeah. It'd be wild if I took a long right here. That'd be fucking stupid. That'd be overtrading.
So, okay, if this grabs this 79 liquidity, runs back above, and we start to see liquidity being stacked here again, we could see a pullback, but I'm still seeing there's still a lot of bearish momentum.
NQ still didn't sweep the lows. I re-entered shorts. I'm gonna take profit after it sweeps the lows
Go ahead
for a little scalp. Sweep those lows, motherfucker.
Share your screen, Kyle.
Mm.
We'll see what NQ's doing now that I'm at the position finally.
I might take profit right there. Boom. Just going for a little scalp. I sold at 41.
Now, ES just stacked a shit ton of liquidity above at 49.79.
I wonder if that means I'm not gonna get my lows.
Just got removed.
No. Ah. I think we're good for the sweep, at least on NQ. I don't see why it would come all the way down here and then stop. It does do that though, huh?
Sometimes, dude. Sometimes. Like, just short. Like, again, technically I could have taken the same short twice. If I would have taken profit on my first short, I would be up twice as much.
Oh,
No.
it's all good. Fucking money's money, dude.
It's true. True. It's a W. I'm not even going to trade the afternoon session now.
Yeah, I don't need to. I would like to get my $200 on the day and call it. We dug ourselves out of a nice fucking grave, so I'm pretty happy, but I don't think the short play is gonna happen, huh? Get a little bounce. What's NQ doing? Dude, we might just rip through this low, huh? Probably don't even need to put my take profit right there.
It's a bearish fucking day, that's for sure.
Oh yeah. We already had our move up.
And we were talking about it all morning. Like,
Mhm.
okay, it's gonna retrace. We're looking for short entries.
Yeah, I mean that was a hell of a retracement too.
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for my monetary exit here. I'm just going for 200 something on the day. Oh, am I? Oh no, because that one account, right? Fucking accidentally. Yeah, right. It's losing steam, but it might just fucking blast through here, huh? It's looking more and more bullish though.
Yeah, and as it gets further into this time, we're getting closer and closer to true launch time.
Yeah.
But it's looking pretty fucking dumpy still on ES, so we
Let's see a nice
just
fluke.
took that 76 liquidity on ES.
And then Q's still fucking
There-
around, huh?
There's still liquidity being stacked below on ES, so
Alright, well, I guess I'm just gonna get out. I'm gonna break even again. We came back from a fat loss, so it's cool. We could play this double bottom, but it's not looking like we're gonna get any fucking bullish moves.
I definitely could see like a sweep and consolidation through lunch before deciding. There's more liquidity being stacked now at 49.70 on ES.
This makes me want to fucking take this long at the double bottom. All right, fuck it, I'm doing it. We'll hit the long play for a little retracement.
More downside movement though, Kyle.
Wait, what?
That would support more liquidity being stacked below would support downside movement, not upside.
Oh my lordy.
Right, because it's going to want to move to liquidity.
Oh my fucking lordy. I thought you were saying it was stacking right below. Oh my god. Yeah, this is the double bottom play. Let's see. A little bit of an early entry. Still needs to sweep it though, huh? God damn it, dude. This could be a brutal fucking dive. It didn't take the liquidity.
You had your opportunity to get our pick even.
I mean, this could still work for the double bottom.
It could work. I do agree. Like, ES, you could see a divergence here, and you could see somewhat of a pullback here, but...
ES is pulling back already. It's not even a divergence.
Well, but when I say divergence, meaning ES swept its daily low, but
yeah,
NQ didn't.
Oh, bearish as fuck. Yeah, there's the sweep. I'm knife catching. Let's see if it's just a sweep. Fucking knife catch, Jesus. Living dangerous. Fucking mega bearish day.
Risky as fuck, bro.
I know. Living
I
dangerous.
can't watch. I'm hiding my eyes.
Oh my god. Double bottom. This could very well be a fucking nice ass entry.
It could. It could, but it's scary.
It does not look like it though, huh? This is still so bearish. I don't want to play this knife catch. I changed my mind. Fuck this, dude. This is gonna fucking get wrecked.
I'm honestly surprised that you got out of your shorts earlier.
I know. I thought you said they were stacking liquidity like right at the bottom, so I got confused.
Well, that's a good thing still, right? It's gonna want to go to liquidity.
Yeah, but fucking the bounce. Oh my god, did I just fucking pussy out of my knife catch? I think I did. Big rip.
No.
I've been making a series of bad decisions today, so I'm not surprised.
You're really not down bad though. Like,
No,
overall,
not at all.
Your accounts are not down.
No, I'm pretty happy with it, dude. I was down what 1,600 before.
Yeah. We ultimately caught the move that
Yeah.
we wanted to catch.
Yeah, it was a great move. I sold one con a little early is the only problem. But my knife catch would have worked too, just a little bit.
Let's see. I want to see what this 5-minute close is like.
4 minutes on this. This is a new 5-minute.
I'm not gonna take this trade no matter what, but
I would like to get back in short, to be honest. But that's over trading, so I'm not gonna.
$76 was definitely is a key level on ES, so like I could see it stall here, and it just has to decide if it wants to continue to push down or reverse from here. So I could see consolidation for a while.
It is
In this
true.
area.
It is lunchtime too.
Mm-hmm. I probably am gonna look at the charts because I'm an addict. In a couple
Classic.
hours, but I'm gonna really. I think I'm just gonna watch this afternoon session.
I still need to make what $700. Yeah.
You don't need,
Well, I want my
Right.
$200 plus day.
but you don't need to.
Feel like I need to. Could just be running a bunch of scalps here. Yeah, we'll take this long scalp right here. Up. I already fucked it up. It should have been a short scalp, huh?
Oh my! You went so fucking heavy, bro.
Order rejected.
Oh shit! I went 3 guys. Oh fuck! I only meant to go 2 per account. Missed my fucking long scalp by a few seconds. I might have just fucking butchered this. God damn it. I thought we were gonna at least go back up there.
Do it. Do
Yeah,
it.
get that
Do it.
pump up right back up there.
Do it. Hey, look, see, someone. Yeah, you got a buddy playing Helldivers too as well.
Hell divers? I didn't even see that yet.
Helldivers, yeah.
No. It's just a funny name.
Popped up on your Steam notification.
Shit. Seven-point scalp. Oh man, I fucked up that entry. Could have entered right there.
Come on, fucking let's get a relief bounce. Should be almost enough for you to get your 200 too.
Yeah. That's what I was going for. This might be all I get though. I need to take an L here. Yes, is dojing pretty nicely. And Q just wants to fucking push down, though. I would expect a little bit more of a bounce. This level. Already swept the lows. We're sitting below the lows.
New 15 minute and 5 seconds, so.
Oh, fuck me. God, this might just dive off, huh?
I really hope. I hope. I hate the word hope, but I'm hoping that there's a relief bounce here.
Shit. There's a new 15 minute. It should at least wick up if it's gonna keep going down, right?
I'm trying to say, oh, you're 15 minutes in the bottom left.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna get
Although
it.
we did just have a close below with the break of structure.
Oh my fuck. Did I just give back away? Yeah, I basically just dug myself back in the fucking hole. Shit. Oh my god, I'm fried. This is kind of like a hope play now. I mean, it looks like it wants to bounce. It's not breaking through. But damn, could this rip low fucking quick.
What are you gonna do if it gets to break even?
Wait for my profit target to hit. I guess I probably should just get out. Any lower and I'm getting out. Yeah, I'm out. Fuck that.
The only thing I don't like about Trade of 8 with the
Like, it's nice with, you can see all your positions.
But it blocks the
one P&L.
candles, right?
Oof.
When it looks like it's gonna bounce, I'm gonna fucking go longs again. Yeah, I'm back in longs. This should bounce a little bit here. Oh, I was wrong. Let's give it a few seconds.
This is it. Like, this area is it.
if NQ loses this area, I see it going down to like
Deep
400.
400? Shit. Some badass support. We should at least get a fucking bounce. Let's go. Give me my scalp.
Damn, now I'm sad that I got out of my short.
That was a good level to
That's okay.
get out though.
it's true. Like the reality is it's okay to take low hanging fruit. I got paid when I took low hanging fruit.
Yeah, exactly.
I haven't been getting paid when I'm not taking low hanging fruit.
Yeah, I'm just wondering if this is like actually the reversal. Because I mean, look, we swept the lows, could barely push past. Are we gonna slow grind down all day, or is this gonna fucking pop up pretty decent?
$387 is, I could see a 387 ultimate target for a short side.
$387
Yeah.
on NQ? Oh my fuck.
Yeah.
It gave me the short scalp, but I didn't fucking take it. Oh my god. Is that the last push down?
I mean, the other thing too you can look at. Okay, so you can measure the first leg of this move, measure the second leg. The first leg was 200 points.
Hmm.
The second leg is 144. 200 points would be down to like 387. It would literally perfectly put us at 387.
Oh my lordy.
There's a lot of things pointing to continuation to the downside
Yeah.
today. Now I feel like I paper handed out of the shorts.
I don't know why, but I see a pump back up, dude.
I think you're
Like
gonna
a
might
solid-
get upward chop through lunch.
Yeah.
Possibly.
We got some upward chop, and then we continue in the afternoon down is what I'm suspecting. I want to see like a real bullish sign. Right now, I just fucking got in way too early. But if this pumps hard, then this is that I could have easily caught the bottom of this. I could fucking hold it for an hour.
I just don't. We don't have any news. Like we have nothing to reverse sentiment right now.
Not just price action.
We have. I don't see much. Tomorrow we have Fed speakers in the morning, and then at noon we have FOMC meeting minutes. So just the meeting minutes surrounding FOMC. Not till Thursday that we actually have news. Which is kind of crazy because, right, Monday holiday, Tuesday light news, Wednesday fairly light news, Thursday, I think Thursday is going to be pretty gnarly.
Thursday?
Yeah. Oh yeah, Nvidia earnings as well tomorrow after market.
Ooh, that should be pretty
That's gonna
fucking
be-
nuts.
That is actually going to be probably volatile as fuck.
Yeah, that should be pretty fun. Aftermarket though, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to stay up that late. It's already 1:30 a.m. for me. I'm fucking tired.
I bet it's going to make my morning coffee.
Shit. Maybe I just stay up all night, sleep all day. Fuck it. Nah, that would defeat the purpose. I gotta go to the beach and shit.
Yeah. If you're going to do that, you might as well be in the U.S.
Right. Okay, hopefully this fucking trend breaks right here and I'm fucking golden for my longs. Break that fucking trend.
Break it.
Close.
Definitely could see if we start to move up. There is what? What are you targeting? 500?
This level right here. Yeah, like 500, 504-ish.
Yeah, there should be resistance around that area. It'd be like a retest of the resistance.
Yeah, this is a big level right here. But I'm gonna sell one con at 89. If we get up there. And then the other two I might just stop loss and hold runners. Just in case this is the bottom of the day. For the next 15 minute. Looks like a reversal candle on the 15. Let's go. Come on. You need to pump it. Break of the downtrend on the 15 too. Any big resistance we break through here, we'll be looking pretty good. There we go. A little bit of patience.
What does patient do? Patience do.
Fucking pays. What? Patience fucking pays. Be like 98, 500 will be my PT. Let's put this at 98.
What's that red, is that like an EMA?
This is
5 minute?
No, on Trading View.
oh
What's that
omnitrend.
one?
Omnitrend, so it basically goes with the trend. I actually
failed.
fucking sold. I don't trust that the downtrend's not going to continue. I'm basically back to where we started before
know.
before I made this mess right here.
Your other accounts are green overall, I think, right? It's just one account that's red.
Yeah. Let's see. No, they're still minus $37.
It's not much though.
Nah.
Even $200 isn't much on NQ.
Yeah. But I need to make. No, I want
I'm
to
gonna
make.
say it again.
I want to make
I'm
like a
gonna say
G.
it again, Kyle.
I-
You need.
Today is ripe with opportunity, though. I'll be right back.
Watch, it's gonna go retest 500 while he's gone. He's gonna come back being very sad.
You going?
No. Still just sitting there right here.
All right. Well, I'm gonna take the short for the fucking continuation of the downtrend. All I wanted was that little pop up.
This is actually a reversal pattern on a small time frame. Let's see.
It looks like a little impulse move up. I'm trying to play the trend of the day. Like I got my little
Yeah,
pump
it's a
up.
downtrend.
Yeah, I got the little pump up. I thought it was gonna blast to 500, but
You'd be sleeping right now if you just held your shorts.
right? Fuck. If only. I sold one of my cons fucking right up here too for this level, thinking it might bounce. If I just held that, I would have been Gucci. I was thinking about holding those longs for a while, but I don't see us going up that fucking high today. We already got our fucking big pump up. Yeah. If it double bottoms here, then fucking I should be good on the day. Then I'm going to fucking sleep. It's almost 2 a.m. It seems more likely than it just fucking pumping straight back up.
I mean, this is definitely hitting that resistance to the left, so you have structure supporting your idea right now.
Exactly. It might want to sweep that FBG at 500, but I think that's what everyone's expecting, so I think it's going to be an upset.
That's what I would have been expecting.
Yeah. Well, fuck, it could happen.
If it ends up blasting through there, I think this goes back up to like that 430 level.
530?
Or yeah, 530 level.
Where we took our short, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then maybe dumps back off, but I think the big upward move of the day is done. I think it's just fucking straight downtrend.
Still liquidity on ES below, not much above, so there's still lots of supporting evidence to the downside.
Yeah. Just the overall trend of the day. I mean, we've been trending so fucking hard pretty much every day. Recently, that is just a little bit ignorant to try and fight it. Even though we tried multiple times and got fucking spanked.
I would say like eight out of the 10 trades you wanted to take today were long scalps.
Dude, fucking that's what I was saying. Like, I think these fucking time zones, dude. Like when I was in South Africa and we were all trading together, dude. It was like during the day. I think it was like what, like 3 p.m. or something like that 5 p.m. was market open. It was like perfect, dude. And now it's like 10:30 p.m. is market open, and I'm fucking like during the day. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. During the day, I'm doing stuff, and then when I'm not doing stuff, I'm like, fuck, I got nothing to do, so I start trading fucking Asia and London. And then fucking by the time New York comes, it's like late. I'm fucking burnt and fucking. It's tough because I have to go live for everybody, right? And everyone wants to trade. Maybe I'll do like a poll. I assume all you guys want to fucking trade New York, right? I mean, 434.
Most people are trading. Like you're gonna get the most people willing to watch around New York.
That's what I'm saying. I feel like I'm obligated because I started this group that I have to trade New York. So that's what I'm gonna do. Fucking all-nighters, baby. Let's go. And what's even more fucked up though? It's like it's 10. Oh, should I fucking take profit here? Or are we gonna blast at 34? Luck stack, and I do like Luck stacking's idea of 34. So I think I'm gonna put my buy limit down there. I'm in short.
Express accounts?
Yeah, I'm in my Express account.
I still haven't gotten mine. I paid for it on Friday.
I think I paid for it last night, dude.
We just took 49.70 on ES.
Yeah.
See what happens.
Yeah, we're dumping. This might be more of a trailing stop loss than a take profit kind of day. I have my profit that I need on the day.
You gotta cancel your other limit order first.
I did cancel it.
I see it on your screen.
This is the low of the day. This is my trailing stop.
That's the one that you just
You just put. Never mind. I got you.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see.
How
Okay,
long
it's-
ago did you get your express? Oh.
A few hours ago. When you were here, I got my expresses, I believe.
Why haven't I fucking got mine? What the fuck?
Did you pay for them?
Bullshit. I paid for them on Friday. I paid for 2 on Friday.
Hmm.
And then I had one that I had. I don't know.
That is fucking weird, actually.
That's fucking, they can't control that, right? You're up pretty good in your... Is that 2 or 3 of them, or...
It's 3 of them, but no, I'm not up. I'm up now, yeah, but
Okay, all
But
right.
it-
You're up 300 from being down 2K, so we're doing pretty good.
Oh, you fucking degenerate. You kept trading. I see what happened.
no, I took, dude, I kept on trying to take fucking long scalps, and they bit me in the ass almost every single fucking time, dude. And then I finally joined the trend, and we caught a nice drop, but I fucking sold one con too early, and then, oh my fucking, then we got a fucking giant. This could be the sweep before the fucking actual reversal now, huh?
Lunch. You're trading lunch right now.
Manipulation Central?
Mm-hmm.
I still think we keep going
The only
down.
thing I've ever seen happen during lunch is a continuation. But more often than not, it's a fake out for lunch. I would not be surprised if in the afternoon we return to VWAP. Just because, I mean, I don't know. We have to see what happens in like 15 minutes.
Oh wow, 15 minutes and lunch is over, huh? Okay, I guess I'll just take profit here, just in case we do come back up to fucking VWAP. I really should have probably took profit right there.
Damn it, Kyle! You should have taken your target, which was the sweep of the low.
I know. Yeah, I got caught up in a fucking home run play instead of my fucking scalp idea. I did that multiple times. Yeah. I think
It's
scalps.
fun to be in a home run play, but not during lunch.
Yeah.
That's the problem. You can't go during lunch and be like, yo, I'm gonna hold for 50, 70 points.
Yeah,
Liquidity's still stacking below on ES, so overall still very bearish, but
I'll take shorts again, dude.
I would wait. Like, if you're gonna stay up,
I mean, this would be the level right here. This would be the level to get back in shorts.
damn, that's gonna pump all the way to 500.
Yeah, what was the original idea?
That's the next area.
Okay, I'll put a short right there. But I feel like if it breaks above here, why would it stop at 500?
Might go up to that 30 area, 525.
We have the FVG
Well,
sitting there.
I think it goes up to VWAP after lunch.
I'd be down to go fucking heavy in some longs for that VWAP play. But you really think there's gonna be another fucking pump up after that fucking big move right there? I mean,
But that wasn't a big move.
100 points.
There's still all of Asia, right?
Yeah.
The whole time that it dumped during Asia, there's all that just chilling there. So I would say back up to VWAP is reasonable.
VWAP is 23. I mean, this would be the short right here. I'm gonna try the short, dude. I think it's more likely to fucking continue the downtrend than fucking keep going back up.
My VWAP 17. I don't know why everyone's different.
My view up is 617.
617?
617.
We hit this FPG. Let's see if it rejects. This looks like just a fucking pure ass impulse.
Here's the thing, though.
For it to get back to VWAP, it's gonna have to get through every single EMA.
Yeah.
It has to get through every
what
single
time frame?
EMA.
What time frame are you looking at for those EMAs? Because on the
Okay.
1 minute, it's already above the 13,
5 minute.
the 24,
On the 5
and
minute,
the
it
4.
has to get through every single EMA. On the 30 minute, it has to get through one EMA.
Well, now which EMAs though?
The 20 EMA on the 30 minute. Let's go to 15 minute.
No, but which EMAs do you have? What are the numbers associated?
20, 50, 100, and 200. Or you mean where are they at right now? Oh.
No, I'm asking what they are because the EMAs that I always use when I do use EMA is 13, 24, 48, and then 200. But yeah, I mean, still though, I wouldn't be surprised if after lunch you see it go. Because the thing is too, it's not going to go straight to VWAP. VWAP's not going to be 617 by the time it gets there. It's going to be lower, right? Because by the time it goes up and down a little bit, then up and down a little bit, and then when it rockets up to VWAP will actually in fact be a lot shorter. It'll be a lot lower, right?
Let's dumb this down for a second, Hugo, like we've been saying, right? For it to do that, okay, so right now, this would be support turned resistance, right where we're at, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, I mean, I guess technically you could say, like, the next area of resistance is going to be, like that 525 area, 530 area.
Well,
if it
yeah,
breaks
well,
above that, then...
Your next area, really, like, if you want to be as accurate as possible, I look at the 1 minute. So you have 555, then you have a bunch of at 576, and then the last bit, 596. And I don't think it goes back to, like, high of day. It's not doing that. Like, it's a fucking bearish day. But by that point, by the time it makes its way up there, like, you're going to be...
You think VWAP is going to be up to that, like, 570, 580 area?
VWAP's going to be going down as this day progresses.
Yeah.
So you have another 13 minutes until lunch is done, and then sometime in the afternoon, I could see it returning to VWAP. But VWAP's going to be moving down as this. Once this rockets up, VWAP's going to move down, right? So I could see it. Like, look at the 1 minute. There's a bunch of trend line liquidity. It's just now kind of breaking the trend line. Like, if you draw a downward trend on the 1 minute from 11:02 a.m. and just draw a line across, like it's looking like it wants to break that. To me,
I like this short overall, though. I mean, I think it's a worthwhile short because it's, if you just run the basics, this is a level. This is support and resistance.
I agree.
So.
I don't disagree, but it's lunchtime, so you're gonna get like a few points.
Yeah, it's true. How much are you gonna actually get is what you probably need to curb your expectations.
Well, when the trend continues, I think we're going down for like the whole fucking day, dude. So I mean,
yeah, I don't think we're going down the whole day on Tuesday after a long weekend.
I do see more downside room, and ES keeps stacking liquidity below, and like there's no liquidity above.
But they're stacking. The thing is, they're stacking liquidity below. But those orders, from what you mentioned earlier in the day, have been pulled.
No, they didn't get pulled. They never got pulled. Not a single one got pulled. They actually got filled.
Oh, okay.
All the way from 49.80 to 49.70 has been filled, and now there's a continuation of liquidity stacking from 49.60 all the way down to 49.25.
Yeah, it's hard to say. I mean, I'm always of the nature of there's usually 2 moves in a day, and if in the morning they did this, the afternoon, I would imagine they fuck over what they did in the morning.
They already tried that though. Here. And then the trend just kept on continuing.
Session hasn't started. But the afternoon session hasn't started.
Ah,
Afternoon session like this is after lunch, right? So they did do it initially, so to speak, in the morning, but that could have just been profit taking, whatever. What it was, it's irrelevant. But I mean, it did just reject the trend line, downward trend line there at 502. But technically, on the 1 minute, you had a flip of structure or bullish, but it's the 1 minute, so the weight of that is not much. Like what the 1 minute does, no one cares.
I like Luck Stacken's idea of 34, 534. I think we sweep the lows before we fucking. Oh my god, my fucking stop loss keeps moving. I think we sweep the lows. Fucking hit 534 ish, and then we can possibly go back up to VWAP. That'll bring VWAP back down to a reasonable level that we can actually hit, and we'll be golden.
Yeah. We'll see. I mean, I don't like to throw too much into anything until lunch ends, at least. I'll be right back.
You know what's kind of nice about the tilt? Because I'm using Topstep X. The one thing the percentages, short and long, doesn't really, I don't know, I don't really pay attention to that. But one thing that I do like is it tells you long's average price and short's average price.
Well, what's the long's average price?
49.77, and the short's average price is 49.79. So you can kind of look at that and you can start to see, like, are the shorts getting squeezed? Are the shorts, are the longs getting squeezed? You can kind of start to look at that and stop fill.
Oh, I just got stopped. Fuck me.
So 49.80 on ES. Let me look at, sorry, NQ, the average long is 17.494. The average short is 17.508.
17.508, so they're shorting right now?
It's increasing, but mind you, 87% of people are long currently, whereas only 13% are short.
I mean, VWAP is fucking 10 points away.
76% of people who are long in the NASDAQ right now are positive. Now it's 87% positive. 13% of the shorts in NASDAQ, now 26%, are in the negative. So kind of sitting in this area.
Maybe longs are the play. I'm not going to try shorting this again. Like that. We'll wait for the short.
Oh, fuck. You're
I guess.
right again. Goddamn.
Motherfucker, you go. Dude, we're actually super close to VWAP, dude.
Not for me. I don't know. Your VWAP is anchored weird.
Is your VWAP on Tradeovate?
Trading View.
Trading View?
Yeah.
You should have the same as us.
Yeah,
Depending on how you anchor it.
it's 518, right?
No, it's 615 is where VWAP is right now.
615.
On TradingView?
Yeah.
Good on session.
Put it on session?
He is.
It is on session, yeah.
Oh! Wait, what? Why the fuck is your VWAP? Zoom out on your chart.
Ah.
That's your VWAP.
Oh, this
What
is
is
the
that green
oh,
line?
that's the weekly VWAPs. Okay, yeah. Those are the weekly VWAPs. So we really think it's gonna go up to 615? Holy fuck.
Well, I mean, anywhere in here is technically still like the reality is your short isn't invalid yet.
It is because I
Even though
got
you
stopped out.
I mean, like, yes, but your short on a technical standpoint isn't invalid yet.
It is on the 1 minute. That's the point.
It needs to break this level. It needs to pretty much break the resistance.
The thing is, on the 1 minute, you gotta flip. You on the 1 minute, you did break structure to the upside, and you now also broke that trend line on the 1 minute as well.
Filled.
All right, well that means I'm going long. This is the long entry. If we're going to VWAP, this is the long entry, so we're doing it.
You entered at the top here. Fucking guy, dude. I would wait. I would want to enter at like 73 for a long.
73?
Yeah, because lunch is over in 3 minutes. So I want to see what I would want them to do is I would want on the 1 minute, I would want 86 to get swept, not make a new low of day, and I would want to enter around 73 to long. And then I would target 601.
All right, fine. I'll get out for now then.
It may not come down there, but I'm greedy. And I want greedy entries.
But I mean, look at this trend right here.
I just posted in the chat. That's what I'm looking at. So I drew my fibs out. That's where I'm getting the projections from. I want to see it retrace at least half that move that the fibs are drawn off of. It may not do it. It may rock it up. I don't know. But I wouldn't want a fucking long here because for it to pull back to around 73 is very reasonable. Because if you look at that trend line I have drawn out, in 2 minutes, if it comes back to that trend line to bounce off of it, in about 2 minutes, it's not unreasonable for it to come back close to 73 or below that low. If you look at that trend line, a lot of times when it breaks trend lines, it likes to come back to them and bounce off them. But that's why I don't hate, but I don't like trend lines that much because the accuracy of them changes. The value of it will change as time moves versus horizontal levels kind of stay the
Order
same.
filled.
Yeah, you got a deal. I'll short for the pullback to 73.
Order filled.
I mean, I wanted to short it in the first place. I still think we're breaking the lows, but if you guys are bullish, then I'll flip bullish. But I want to short
I'm not
this.
bullish. I'm not bullish.
You're not bullish?
But the thing is,
I'm not bullish.
it's not bullish. If you look at it on the day, for it to
It's
go to
still bearish.
601, that's not bullish. That's still a bearish day.
Yeah. He's not wrong.
That's
Like, you
just a
definitely could
retrace.
go to VWAP and just test VWAP and then reject it. Or it could close near VWAP for the day. And it's still bearish.
Yeah. Look, this day's bearish and it's gonna end bearish. The fucking daily candle is gonna be a bearish candle. There's no doubt there. It's just now about trying to predict where it's gonna go are you going to get a retrace or a continuation? And in my mind, a continuation, the probabilities of that are lower than a retrace. A retrace makes more sense.
It doesn't to me, though, for some reason, because we already had our retrace. It dumped off a cliff. This technically is our retrace. And we should continue down.
Yeah, but it's not a retrace for all the people that are in option 0-day expiries.
They already had their retrace over here. No?
Yeah, but they're still in profit because it's not. If you think about it from an options perspective,
Oh, the
retrace
puts.
that happened is if you got in at the top of day today on options contracts, this retrace ate away at your profits, but you're still green. You need the retrace to happen, and it doesn't have to be a big one. When it's close to expiry, that's when you're going to get the premium burn and decay on the 0 days. And that's in the afternoon session. And that's why a lot of the times the afternoon retraces what the morning did a little bit, I found.
It makes a lot of
Tuesday
sense.
on a short week. So I don't know. And that's what I favor. And you just got a structure flip on the 1 minute. So to me, that's pointing to going to VWAP because it went below Friday, February 2nd low. It already went below that low. And that's where it literally was like, well, a little bit below it. That low was at 65 and it went down to 50. So then your next low is basically at like 260. Well, is it just going to go continuously down? I would think not. Possible, but the probability of that to me is less than it going and retracing a little bit upwards.
This did break the 5-minute downward trend as well.
Yeah, I'll sell one con then. Fuck it.
The thing is, now lunch has ended. So now I would want to see it go down to like 73-ish, and then I'd want to see it show something to show that it's going to go up is what I would look for. Is that why we have power hour? What do you mean by that? To burn the options contracts? But by that point, though, yeah, by that point, the 0 days are fucked. The 0 days get fucked from now in the next hour, people that are on side. That's when they're going to get the most fucked. Like, if you're short right now, and in the next hour it retraces a healthy amount, your 0 days are going to get wrecked.
Yeah, even if you had a sick entry, you still get wrecked.
Yeah. So if you caught the high of day in the morning, and then it retraced at 11 a.m., that retrace at 11 a.m., you're still in profit. But now, if you get a retrace back up to where it got to at 11 a.m., you're in minus on those 0 days. And that's why I favor that happening. And you got a structure flip on the 1 minute, where it swept the lows that it made, and it broke structure to the upside. XES did the same thing. What does Dow do? Dow did the same thing. So it's, yeah. We'll see what happens here. I'm really upset that Kyle got his XFAs and I didn't. That kind of pisses me off.
That is pretty funny, actually.
Like, what the fuck? I paid for him on Friday.
Yeah, I literally paid, like, yesterday. Yesterday after market closed.
The 480 level is important for this.
Hugo's saying 473. So I mean,
That's where I would like to get long.
I'm so bearish for the
It needs to break
continuation
this.
down, but I might just be being simple-minded.
It would, yeah. This swing point at 87 on the 1 minute, like it bounced off that right now. Not for much, but it's bouncing there. But I would want to see that swept because all the people that got long there during lunch get them out before it goes.
I fucking took profit just in case. I got my $200. But I want.
I have to go on Topstep's website and ask them where the fuck my XFAs are.
Oh, I didn't get my $200. Rip.
Oh, that doesn't count commission down below.
Yeah, but look at this. This is 400. I'm
Uh-huh.
on 400 on these, and then 100 on this one. That shit drives me nuts, dude.
So you just have one that you gotta.
Yeah. I mean, this could be the flip long, I'd be down to ride this to view up.
Could be. I gotta message these guys and ask for my other two though.
They,
I gotta get going.
they
Anyways,
don't.
but
If they don't come now, then they'll probably come. No, they should be, dude. Yeah, I don't know. Fucking ring them out,
yeah,
dude.
that's what I mean. I paid for them on Friday, so I'm gonna send them a message on their little bot thing, whatever the fuck. See what's going on. But I gotta run off. Good luck, boys.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna sit here and do your VWAP play.
I mean, watch it. It's nothing's guaranteed. It's what I favor to happen. Doesn't mean that it will.
It makes sense. It does make sense.
Don't bet. That's what I mean. It makes it the probability of that is higher, but that's all you can do is play probabilities. Well,
Yeah.
all right, boys. Catch you later.
Now you go.
See, the thing is for a continuation down from here, that would be a third leg, because we've already had two full legs of movement.
So I'm actually convinced it's gonna keep going down, but I think that I think I'm just thinking too simple. I like the way Hugo's thinking about fucking the option expiries, because that happened to me many times when I was trading SPX 0 days.
Mm-hmm.
And it makes sense that they would actively try to do that. So I'm taking Hugo's play, and let's see if it pays. Once it breaks this 15-minute downtrend, I'll be like, wow, yeah, like this is a sick play. But we're in here a little bit early, which I like doing because I like being a greedy motherfucker. So. Let's see if it works out. So we did sweep our fucking 85 level here. So it's time to go to VWAP. It's gonna be a slow grind.
Yeah, it is. Still lunch.
No, lunch is over.
No, not for another hour. Like 11:45 my time, it seems to pick up. So we got another like 30, 35 minutes, 40 minutes.
What the fuck? Hey, do you have my phone? What is my phone? Oh, okay. It's over here. Like dirt. So you guys know I'm from the south side of Chicago, right? And you know, I have a bunch of friends. They're called like the South Side Polacks, right? And since I left the U.S., they've all been saying, "Oh, he's wanted by the cops. That's why he's not coming back. That's why he's traveling the world." Da, 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 right? And that's what my dad called me and told me. He's like, "Hey, why is everyone saying you're wanted by the cops?" Da, da, da. I'm like, "What the fuck?" Like, so obviously I'm not wanted by the cops, right? Because I mean, I'm posting on Instagram. If they wanted me, they'd just come get me, right? But one of my friends, or actually it's my dad's friend, he texted me and he's like, "Hey, like, when are you coming back to the U.S.?" I'm like, I don't know. He's like, "Oh, it's probably because you can't come back, right? Like, coming back isn't an option for you, right?" I'm like, "Yeah, Bob, I'm wanted by the FBI. I can't come back." And then he just sends me like the mind explosion emoji, and I haven't heard from him for like a few days. And then he just texted me right now. Yeah, he's probably like, "Holy shit!" Like, he's telling everyone, "Oh my god, Coach wanted by the FBI," all this bullshit, right? And then he just texted me right now. So you're really not coming back? Like, dude, just stop. If they want to make up rumors, I'll fucking play along. That's fine. No, but my plan was, because I'm going to be in Hawaii in like a month, right? And I was going to like post a story and send him a picture. I'm like, "Hey, I'm in Hawaii. The FBI is going to come get me soon." Just wanted to say bye. But I think I'll just tell him.
Watch the FBI show up.
Right? "Hey, you were traveling for too long. Fucking illegal." What?
Lunchtime chop.
Yeah, this is gonna be a slow grind up. I liked our short play, dude. Short plays are just fucking awesome. Like, that was what? 50?
Well, the reality is like we
That was
we
100
shouldn't be
points.
trading now. Like, this is definitely over trading territory, no matter what, right?
Yeah.
Like we
It's been
caught
2 hours.
the
Oh
good,
my
we
god.
caught the good moves.
We did.
That short was a good move.
Yeah, and then I overtraded the profit away. And then we caught a nice move. Yeah, I guess. But it would be a shame to not. What the fuck is this? It'd be a shame to not catch this VWAP play. But that's just being greedy as fuck, isn't it? But on days like this, it's like it makes sense to take full advantage of the profits, right? When it's like if it breaks this trend line, chances are we're going to VWAP, right? It would just be a shame to not take that profit. You know what I mean? And I don't.
Maybe think about it differently. Like you told me, like try to think the risk. Like, what are you willing to risk on it?
I'm willing to risk all my fucking profit. No, but I mean, if it breaks below 85, I'm out. You know what I mean? That's our key level. It bounced off of that. Like, if it breaks below 85, our play is toast, right? But right now, it's breaking our trend line. We have the option expiry fucking play. Like obviously, they don't want people making money, especially on 0 days. They want to fuck people as hard as possible. We already had massive drops. It makes a lot of sense. That's why I'm glad Hugo was here, dude. He fucking comes in, fucking spits some game, and then leaves to take care of his kids. It's just kind of it's like a reality check.
About like options, so I'm very interested on like what he means and like. So I understand that they want to fuck people over. Anybody who got short, their profits will be eaten up if it comes back on them, right? If it retraces enough, their profits pretty much go to zero, right?
Yeah, they can even go red. Like, that's happened to me before when I was trading options. So when he said that, I was like, oh shit, like, you're right. Like, that has happened to me before.
Why are there options? Like, are there options that expire every day?
Yeah, 0 days.
Okay, so every 0 day, so every new day there's a 0 day expiry.
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to go full boat for this. This little green arrow on Trading View just made me that much more confident in this play.
You added?
Yeah. If it breaks 85 and stops me out, I'm gonna be fucking salty though. But I think we're looking pretty good. No, I could have added right there. Fuck me. I like how it instantly goes against me, dude. Oh god, if it drops any lower, I gotta get out. Or okay, we can play this level. 82.
Like, we gotta see candle closes.
Yeah.
I'm not looking at a 1 minute though, so that's the only thing that scared me about this play is, like, I don't really trust 1 minute market structure shifts or market structure breaks. I'd like to see it on a 5 minute.
Yeah, that's for fucking sure. And it's holding our trend on the 5 minute right now too, unfortunately. But it did just sweep that level again. That like 80, 82-ish, 80-ish. So this could be the fucking time where we actually push up, but fuck me, is this getting sketchy now? Because this could just fucking dump right to fucking back to the lows and then come back up. But by then, we're going to be toast. This was the fucking stop loss hunt that we needed to actually break out. So let's see if we get it. Horrible ad on my part. If this trend line breaks, dude, fucking we should be seeing some nice moves. 1 minute 30 on this 5 minute. Let's get a sexy ass wick. We have 11 minutes on the 15 though.
That sweep and pump back up looks good.
Yeah, yeah. It's beautiful because we needed that sweep so we could go up. This could be a fucking real nice play. I wish I got that ad though. At a better
Down at the
spot.
bottom.
Yeah, fucking 13-point miss. Jeez. It's $260.
What a pump!
Right?
Looking good.
Yeah, this is looking real good. If we go back to VWAP, we're gonna have a fucking 10G day. More than 10 Gs. Let's get this pump rolling, baby. for 2 hours, and then in the last 30 minutes of the day, boom, fucking erase all the gains. Classic. Pump up the jam, pump it up. If this goes back up to VWAP, I'm gonna fly to wherever Hugo is and fucking give him a big old kiss.
We got, oh my god, we got the perfect re-entry on ES.
Got it?
Yeah, at it was 49.73.50 is the 50% add. Like that's the entry. It's in that the wick or the candle just before for the standard deviation play on ES.
Did you get that?
So-
Did you enter long?
No, I didn't.
Ah,
I called it today. I gotta hold myself to it.
smart, dude. That's smart.
So your first standard deviation on NQ is 535.50. The other, our ES is 49.90.25. Let's see, where is... Possibly by the time price reaches VWAP, that might be 2.5 standard deviation. Because it's going to definitely take some time for it to get up to VWAP.
That's for fucking sure. It's gonna be a slow ass grind. We're sitting pretty nice right now. Nah, I mean, I'm down to fucking hold, yeah. This seems like a fucking great play. There's no reason not to make a fuckload of money today. We're already up almost $6,000, but scared money don't make no money, you know what I mean? You gotta let these winners run if you want to be fucking making the big bucks. So we're gonna fucking sit here and we're gonna wait till it fucking hits VWAP, and then we'll sell. Maybe take a little bit of profit at 59-ish, 84-ish, maybe.
Nice fucking pump.
Yeah, we're looking good. 6Gs so far. Oh no, 5Gs.
At one point, you were down this much.
Yeah, for real. Got all that back, and then yeah, never sitting tight. God, dude, I feel like my
Yeah,
head's
that was-
gonna fucking explode though. I woke up so early today. No, I didn't wake up that early. I woke up at like 7 or 8.
I wish I fucking took the long from 49.73. That was the fucking play.
Yeah, yeah, that sweep. Fuck.
Mm-hmm.
Am I good or what?
Dude, I'm saying, dude, if it gets to VWAP, I'm gonna fucking fly over there and fucking kiss you, dude.
But we didn't get 73 on NQ. We got 73 on ES.
Yeah, fucking wrong, dude.
But it didn't break that 1 minute swing low though.
No.
I wanted it to. I wanted it to sweep that. It didn't. But that's when you can chase. When you see that, that's when you can chase.
The 1 minute sweep low.
The
Talking about right here at 80
yeah,
at 1150. This one.
the 87s. 87s. But yeah, I wanted to just quickly pop in and say you're fucking welcome if you caught that. Any of it. Anyone.
Fuck yeah, dude. Well, I'm gonna hold the fucking VWAP, dude. I mean, fuck it.
How many contracts are you in?
9. Or 3? 3 per account?
You can always like look at the in the chat. Look at the fibs I posted. Take some off at like in between 1 and 1.5, and then leave a runner. Is what I would do. But yeah, make sure you don't fucking let it lose. That's for sure.
518? Holy fuck, bud.
Yeah. Just a little bit of sound logic there. That's all, folks.
Good fucking man. Do we paper hands out is the question? I don't think so. I think we just sit here and fucking hold.
It's what's your answer?
95?
495.
Yeah, I would scale some out at 549. That's where I look. That's where I see this going.
549?
Unless you start to see signs of a flip on the 1 minute. But that's where I'd look for it to get to at least.
It's hitting support right now. Crashing through support. Dumping through. Holy
you're
fuck.
long on a bearish day. Oh yeah, see, fuck.
All my profit just poofed. Am I gonna have to exit? Fucking a break even? I think I might have to, huh?
Well, don't let it go fucking negative, that's for sure.
It's already negative.
What the fuck? That was funny. Alright.
God damn it, man. You need to. You're good at folding, but you're not good at protecting your shit.
Well, holy fuck. How is this just gonna dump fucking 30 points in fucking 2 minutes?
Does,
That's
what NQ does. That's the
crazy.
problem. That's what NQ does. I don't trust it. I never trust it. It still might go up, but it'll do exactly what it did now to shake people like you out.
It almost
Right?
did shake me out.
But the problem is we don't have, through these props, we don't have the equity to sit in this. Because the people that are trading NQ are trading with like $200,000 accounts. And they have like 40-point stop losses. So they sit and hold it.
What's
This really just fucking came back down in fucking 2 minutes. That's crazy.
I know, dude. Like, I'm not laughing that you lost money. Let me make that clear. But it was funny because Hugo was like, "Well, don't let it go into red." And you were like, "It's already red."
Yeah, holy fuck.
Like, it
Dude.
happened so fast.
Yeah, that was crazy.
But that's the thing with NQ. When it goes your direction for about 15 to 20 points, at the very least, protect the position. If not, start taking profit. Because it'll retrace those 15 to 20 points like you just saw.
Yeah, what a dump, dude. Bearish engulfing out the ass. Fuck me, am I gonna end up taking it out here?
My wife's calling me. So I got a jet, but that's my rule of thumb for NQ. Once it gets north of 10 points, break even. Once it gets to 15 to 20, I'm looking to partial out at least. If I'm in heavy, I'm partialing out. Even three contacts is heavy. For $3,000 drawdown, it's heavy. And you take off maybe one, maybe two, secure some profit, and if the rest gets stopped out, they get stopped out, whatever, who cares? So you get this bullshit. It does this bullshit all the time.
I mean, it still technically hasn't broke. You're in.
No, it hasn't. It hasn't broken the structure, but it likes to retrace like that.
Man,
And it'll
that's
do that
kind of
multiple.
scary, though.
It'll do that multiple times before it actually goes. That's the problem with it. That's why I don't
fucking
look.
scary.
That's
Which
NQ, though.
I'm okay with holding through this bullshit. Like I'm okay with it, but
the problem is if you're wrong and it doesn't decide to go up after all that bullshit, you're down, and then you're down big quick.
yeah.
That's the problem with
balls,
it.
Kyle. You got balls.
I've got the I don't give a fuck attitude. That's what he's got.
Dude, I just can't believe how that it dumped that entire move in
2
the
minutes.
2 minute data.
That is classic. That is normal movement for NQ.
Even ES did it too. I mean, ES literally dumped all the way back down to 49.73.
Yeah. And the thing you gotta take into context too is it's a bearish day. You cut along in the wrong. You basically were on the wrong direction of the day. If you get 15, 20 points, you take it. In my eye, that's how I trade. I miss the big moves all the time because of that. All the time. But it saves the pain of what just happened a lot of the time.
So let me ask you this, Hugo. If I run a standard deviation from the 5 minute on NQ, it's showing first standard deviation at 17, 5, 35, 50.
Hold on, let me look at the chart.
And we almost tapped it. Almost.
Yeah, you almost tapped it, yeah. That's the same one I drew out on the 1 minute that I posted in the chat. And that's what I mean, like it fell short of that, which is really a bad sign for continuation to VLOG. Is the way I look at that. That's how I would interpret that right now. Because it got brought up a bit and then it just got fucking stuffed. So then when I look at that, what comes to my mind is look at that as profit taking. That's what that was, is people profit taking. It still wants like to go lower. Or chop around.
That's fucking...
Like that's classic NQ. Like very classic NQ. Does exactly that. And that's why even this morning, like I caught the top, but I rolled my stop because I got fucking $800 on one contract, and I was like, this is probably going to retrace on me, and it did, and it stopped me out, and then it continued. But you don't know. No one fucking knows if it's going to continue. So.
Well, this looks like it's gonna continue to the fucking lows, huh? It's bear flagging right now, hard as fuck.
The next...
That pump was almost a manipulation now.
Yeah.
If it breaks 81 here, I would want to see it go down to 52. The way I look at it. But I really gotta run. Just DM me if you like want to ask something, but I can't like stay on the call.
I got you, brother.
Alright. Peace.
Peace.
Wonder if we get a... Wow, I can't believe how fast that dumped.
Yeah, that was fucked up. I was in La La Land. I wasn't even paying attention. Oh my god,
know,
breaking it too.
Like I said, like there was that moment of like, well, you know, Hugo was like, protect the profits and don't let it go red. It's like, well,
it's already fucking red.
Literally, already went red.
Well, there's a sweep of that level. Let's see if we start heading back up. If not, then I think we're breaking lows.
Is now we're getting that structure break to the downside again, right?
Unfucking real. What's funny is I was fucking doing risk management all fucking day, and then this trade just went out the window, and then 2 minutes, boom. Holy shit.
I did say earlier that there was going to be resistance at 5:30.
Yeah. That was a hell of a resistance, bud. Holy fuck me.
That's just the next zone on the chart. Truly. I mean, we didn't know that it was going to fucking dump that hard from there, but it's feeling pretty volatile right now.
Yeah. Yeah, that's also why you gotta love trading. You just never fucking know what's gonna happen. You're gonna be up $5,000 1 second, fucking 1 minute later, you're negative. Holy shit. I have so little faith in this going back up, but it makes sense. It does, because we swept it, we got the volatility out, shook out all the longs, and then we just go on a monster fucking pump up. But on a fucking bearish ass day, I don't know, dude.
It's just wild how fast. I mean, okay, so what? We went up the same amount in
6 minutes.
6 minutes, but 2 minutes pretty much erased it all.
Yeah, classic shorts. One reason I fucking hate longs, dude, is because of shit like this.
You just become. That's the problem. Is like, you know, you hear perma bulls and perma bears.
Yeah.
I mean, it still looks pretty volatile. So
Yeah, let's see if we get a fucking mega pump up, or if it's gonna take a fucking hour to get back up there now. Or if we're just fucking cracking new lows all fucking day. Which at this point seems like it's the most likely scenario.
the displacement there is. I mean, I guess I'm trying to. Pros and cons. Okay, why might it go up? Why might it go down? What supports it going up? What supports it going down?
Well, price action definitely supports it going down.
I mean, we're like right now we're at this key level. Like this is it, right? In my eyes, I feel like if it does lose here, we go down.
For sure. With, I don't know. I'm gonna sit in these longs because I think this was a shakedown, but holy fuck, the bear fucking momentum is here for sure. Which makes me think we're gonna rip through those lows. Classic. Fucking classic. This is still bear flagging. Fuck, do we flip shorts here?
This is where I'm like baffled. I think it's important to watch because I think that this is like there's a good lesson here.
It's a good lesson in fucking protecting your longs on a bear day. And I failed this fucking lesson. Shit, man. This bearish momentum makes me really think we're gonna fucking hit these lows down here. Got the sweep. We pump back up. Really, we just got to break above my entry. Break 500 again, and we have a good chance of going actually to VWAP, but fuck me. Is this getting a little sus? It makes sense that they would do this before a major move, though. But it just makes it seem like the Bears are really in control here, and they're just going to keep fucking shoving it down.
What did look at the wicks on the 3-minute, Hugo said.
The 3-minute?
I don't have a 3-minute up.
I have the 3-minute up. Okay, yeah, so it broke It broke that level, swept it.
It is like retesting the trend line that it broke. So this is definitely like the do or die level. For the longs.
If we get like a massive green dildo, then I think we are going back up to VWAP.
You have some fucking balls.
Fuck me, dude. I mean, that was just me
Dude,
being
I would have
fucking.
paper handed out of that so fucking fast. Like I would have been out of it so fast. Whether that's a good thing or a bad thing, we're gonna find out.
Well, if it broke, like I knew it was gonna sweep this right with that volatility, boom, boom, boom. But if it broke down even further, I would have just fucking taken the L. It would have sucked fucking dick being fucking up almost 6 Gs and then going minus fucking 2 Gs or 3, whatever it was. But, I mean, that's part of the game, right? Like, if you want to fucking make 10K in a trade or 20K, 30K, whatever the fuck, you got to be able to hold through
you said it earlier.
all the bullshit.
Scared money don't make no money, right?
Facts. Yeah, okay, so look at this. We're getting a nice fucking green candle. So this was just the shakedown, it seems. Unless this is just another bull trap, but I think that was a fucking shakedown. Now we can actually go back up to VWAP.
Remind me to never watch a 2-minute.
Well, dude, the 5 minutes also fucking terrifying. How fast that
That's
fucking
true.
moved. Boom, boom, boom.
That's true.
Any way you fucking slice this, dude, that was just fucked. I want to kind of secure profit now, but now it just makes sense that we actually do get our big move up. So I'm not going to. I'm gonna sit here and fucking hold this.
I look at you and think, well, if you had the balls to hold through that other shit, you definitely have the balls to keep holding it.
Fucking right, dude. But dude, imagine if we would have took profit right there. Fuck yeah, re-enter longs right there. And oh my god, just perfect fucking entries, perfect execution. That would have been 10 Gs right now.
Yeah.
But whenever I try to do that, I end up doing, oh, maybe I'll just take a short scalp. Boom, and get fucking yeah. just like I did today, multiple times. So that's why I try not to do too much. I just try to hold through the trend. But securing partials is a fucking good idea. But right now, I don't think it's necessary. It seems like we're gonna fucking blast up now that we shook out the stop losses. Fuck me. And this is why trading's the fucking best job in the world. You just never know when you're gonna get a good old fucking, dude. Never know.
Oh god.
You were saying look at the wicks on the 3 minute. I think I'm gonna get off the 2 minute. I'm gonna go to the 3 minute.
I don't know what he is seeing. Like, I don't know what he means by the wicks.
I don't know either. I think he's just talking about this sweep right here and how it fucking rejected it super hard.
Mm-hmm.
Because he said that right before this giant pump, so he's like, oh, look at that rejection. It's holding. I think that's what he was talking about. Definitely need to take some profit around 590 though. Maybe even earlier, dude. What if we fucking just get all the profits erased again? But yeah.
I can see it from both ways.
I know, me too. But I feel like the worst already happened.
The thing that, yeah, it sucks because that just scarred us.
A little bit. Some good old PTSD. Gonna add that one to the PTSD bank. Thanks, NQ. Holy shit.
Like, it felt like an absolute rug right there.
Dude, that was a rug. That was like the definition of a fucking rug, dude. Are you serious? But I mean, it went up just as fast. I mean, if it does it again, dude, I'm gonna lose my fucking shit. But I don't think it will do it again. Jeez.
I definitely think that if you get over the 40s, that's a good area to take some risk off. Like around the 540 level.
Hmm.
I see. So if we. Maybe not.
Like 547, I'm down to sell one. Yeah, I'll sell one up there. But I want to hold most of the position for VWAP, dude. Because when these days come around, you gotta fucking really take in all the money you can.
Yeah.
And this seems like it is gonna go to VWAP. Really, I'd like to hold my whole position for it, but
1.5 is 556. 1, the first standard deviation is 535.50. 1.5 is 556.25. Then 2 is 577. Then 2.5 is 597, which VWAP is getting closer and closer to as time goes on.
VWAP's at 608, 607.
Yep.
That's also high of the day. No, it's not. Ooh, high of the day is far. I changed my mind. I'm gonna sell at 590. I'm gonna hold 3 for 590. I think that sounds like a good plan. $584 might be a little safer. Yeah. So we'll go right before 584. Still have a long way to go though.
Mm-hmm.
And fuck me, are we dicking around with this?
Hey, look, you have another person playing Helldivers too.
Helldiver? Oh, Human does? That's my boy Vance. I just got an email from one of my companies to try to sell me health insurance. You know what I mean? Switch everyone on my company to a different health insurance provider.
Mm-hmm.
And instead of saying hi Kyle, he's like, hey Kike. He called me a fucking kike, dude.
What the fuck?
Fucking douche. Easy way to not get a fucking response from me. Call me a kike.
You have some balls.
I mean, it's got to do this shit if it wants to fucking go up, dude. Lower highs? Fuck, it is such a bearish day. I usually only like doing this on fucking bullish days, and this is... It could flip bearish. I mean, bullish, though. It's working on it, that's for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's still, there's still support to your long right now.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of support for my longs, actually. I don't think there's a reason to paper hand this. But I think this time, if it comes to my entry, I'm definitely fucking bailing.
Here's the thing, even if you protected your last position and just set like a break-even stop, would you have re-gotten in?
No, I probably would have fucking... I probably would have been like, oh, fuck, I gotta go shorts. Yeah, exactly. I would have, oh, fuck, shorts. And then fucking got ran up on.
Yeah, I feel like it would have been worse.
It would have been a disaster.
Got stopped out.
That's what I'm saying. Whenever I try to do too much, I usually just roll my fucking self, dude. I'm my own worst enemy. That's why I like to sit here and I like to fucking wait, dude. This is also why I'm not a fucking scalper, because if I try taking a scalp, I'll be up like $500 or something. I'll be like, oh fuck, maybe it goes up a little bit more, and then it comes against me and fucking keeps on going the direction, you know, with the trend. But trend scalping isn't a bad idea. This seems like it's gonna be a full blown bull run though, so I'm sitting pretty tight. I mean, look at this 15-minute boom, fucking 5-minute or the bearish candle wicks fucking up, sure, okay, yeah. And then just gets fucking engulfed with a fucking giant green dildo with a wick down. Like these are fucking major bullish signs. So how bullish are we gonna be? I mean, fucking VWAP sounds about right, dude. Fuck those options, boys. Fucking as hard as possible.
VWAP is getting closer and closer to the standard deviation targets as well.
Yeah.
It's going to line up. There's going to be confluences, and there's going to be a bunch of liquidity stacked there, and then it's going to run up and grab it. Right. Or that's what should happen. I'm not going to say that's what's going to happen, but there's a probability of that happening.
96 is stop loss. $36. Take profit. This algo loves scalping.
There's two. So if you go to your indicators, click no, the little drop down, the number 10, underneath to the left, right there, up, down. See the number 10 on the chart.
On the chart.
Oh
yeah.
Down menu. Click that, and you'll see a scalp and a swing version. So make sure you're viewing the swing version instead of the scalp version.
How do I change it?
It should just be It should just be hidden. There should be two. There you go. So hide the scalp version.
Oh, this one's got swing. Okay.
Okay.
Nice. The fuck long weird. Oh, it's on the 1 minute. Oh, dude, on the 5 minute, it doesn't even have a long signal.
No. Just the short.
I wonder if it'll pop one up. Shit, why does it not have a long signal?
Probably because it's like, what the fuck just happened?
Yeah. Yeah. It tripped the algo out.
That shit was a smack to the face to a lot.
Yeah, that probably fucking blew so many people's stop losses, dude.
Mm-hmm.
And this is what everyone talks about. They're like, yeah, I had an awesome play. It went up in my favor. I didn't take profit. Then I hit my stop loss, and then it ran up 100 points without me. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
We hear that fucking story all the time from fucking everybody. So I'm assuming this is that story where everyone got stopped out, and then I'm sitting here fucking about to make 10 G's. Hopefully.
Well, you're gonna make. You know what? You're at least gonna make your 200 minimum, right?
Yeah, for fucking sure. And I'm at least making $600 today. $200 per account.
All right.
Oh, technically those other accounts are up 400, so at least I'm making $1,000 on a day minimum. If this runs back down on me, I'll fucking take my $1,000. I'll be salty, but at least I'll have $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
I won't have the $6,000 that I currently have, but
Look at this shit, bro.
now it just needs to break this level, dude. If it breaks this level, fucking hallelujah. Push up, baby. Daddy needs 10 G's. Hmm. VWAP's gonna be at 590 by the time we touch it. Supra, oh my god. Supra shed himself on that drop. It's so funny, dude. Lux taking, I think you're right. Yeah, it's definitely gonna come down to like around 600, maybe 590. 590 would be a hell of a drop.
Right in the standard deviation zones.
Yeah.
There's gonna be a lot of confluence there for sure.
Yeah, which one makes sense for it to be the fucking final take profit. I don't even think it's worth holding a runner, but I mean this day's flipping bullish. And when it flips bullish, it's fucking bullish. Regardless, we're taking some profit at 83.
I mean, that's a hell of a day.
A hell of a day, yeah. I'll be very happy with it. As long as we don't fucking dump off right here again, dude.
It already is a hell of a day.
It is, yeah. We want it to be a hell of a day. Days like this, they do happen very often, actually, but when you're actually clear-minded enough to fucking hold through the fucking move, that's rare, I found. So all the days you end up getting fucked and missing the moves build up in your head, and then like when you actually get a day like this where you can see the move happening before it happens, and you hold through all the fucking fun and all the bullshit, like I noticed it's pretty rare. But I'm talking like the move already fucking happened when it's only like halfway there, not even halfway there. And then fucking in 2 minutes it could just get wiped out again. But we did fucking break that level, dude, just by a little bit. We wicked it. We should see a fatty fucking move up here.
Okay, there is first standard deviation.
Fuck it, we're holding through it. Full fucking port, baby. Ah, there's the fucking rejection from the first standard, dude. As expected. That's just one, right?
Yeah. Yep. 1.5 is at 56.75. The 17.5, 56.75 is 1.5.
Fuck, I'm wondering if we take a little bit of profit there. 56. That is a key level. 53-ish. I don't think this dumps back down again, right? No fucking way. It really, really wants to, though.
Dude, when this shit starts moving, it starts moving.
For real. Bulls don't fail me now. Does it want the low of the day is the real question. To continue the downtrend.
I mean, we're getting to the point on ES where liquidity is starting to spread and get removed, and now we have liquidity above. So that does support. I mean, there's still more liquidity below than above, but doesn't mean it's not going to want to go take that first.
Diamond hands. Diamond hands is shit.
Fucking fact.
The diamond hands is shit. For VWAP. Stop at break even. Big support level right here. God, if it breaks through this, fuck, that's gonna be a break-even trade again. That's a bearish engulfing. And it closed. Not technically not engulfing, right? It's the same size.
Yeah, it's kind of barcoding on it.
Yeah,
It did close below it.
just
So
a little bit.
But it's the Bears and the Bulls are out to play right now. That's for sure.
Yeah.
They're in a battle. Again, you're still fairly protected by some structures. So,
Yeah.
what do you have a reason to get out?
Not really. Besides fucking the trend of the day.
Yeah. Well, I mean, again, if your reason to get out is one, I'm content with the profit I've made today is valid, or you're scared that the overall trend, like there's really no wrong answer, right?
I mean, I already said it. I'm getting out of break even if this goes against us. Otherwise, I'm holding for fucking VWAP.
Lux Stackton says MLL is still my only reason to get out.
Fucking right, Lugstack, and I like your fucking style, dude. Tell with profit seems like it might want to return. I'm a bitch, all good reasons. Fucking tell him, Lugstack, dude.
Literally, I'll give it to you. Be like, I'm a bitch. I don't want to hold through this. I want to take my profit and run. Valid reason.
No, dude, it's not a valid reason because that's why you don't get $30,000 payouts, motherfucker.
It's true. It's true.
You want fucking $30,000 payouts, you fucking sit through this shit. And you fucking wait. And you fucking take an L if you have to. But unless it's fucking you in the ass, you don't get out. I mean, this just confirms that we're gonna go higher, dude. How fast that came down, fucking swept the level that it's been holding, and then it comes back up to the same point, sweeps it a little bit. I mean, this just all around just seems bullish, and it seems like it's gonna keep going up very slowly.
I'm with you. I don't. If I were in this trade, I would pretty much break even and let it play out.
Yeah, which is exactly what I'm doing.
I think you might. Like, I think there are areas where you may be getting too greedy, and that would be like the 580 target. VWAP target might be too greedy. Or the thing that worries me. Okay, so if price gets above in this like 560 area, this 556 area, you have your 1.5 standard deviation plus you still have structure, which is going to be resistance again. So
1.5 on a bearish day in longs does sound pretty good. So possibly sell two cons, hold one per account.
For the VWAP tab.
Yeah, I like the sound of that. Actually.
I would say is the probably like the best way to protect yourself at least.
On a bearish day, it makes a lot of sense.
You didn't take profit at the first low-hanging fruit, so.
Yeah, no. I'm in it for the long haul.
I think you're on the right side of it.
Let's adjust this trend line for the lower time frame. That looks pretty good. All right, I'm gonna go take a leak. I'll be back. I mean, I guess if it breaks this trend line, that's the reason to get out. Trend lines have been doing me real good lately,
Yeah.
so I'm actually believing in them quite a bit.
I want to see it get above this 30 area.
I want to see it smack VWAP. Leg stacking. Stop loss at 511. What is that? Ooh, did it hit your
That's
stop
tight.
loss, leg stacking?
That's tight.
Yeah, that is a tight boy. Not a bad idea though on a bearish day. But this does seem like it flipped bullish, so gonna fuck around for a while, but we should just keep on seeing a move up. I don't think shorts get paid anymore today.
I think if price gets up to VWAP, I'd be surprised if it pushed through VWAP.
Oh yeah. Yeah, if it went to like high a day or some shit, I'd be fucking shocked.
I mean, here's one thing that I kind of see. So I see ES making a move up. ES VWAP is at 4,99391. The first standard deviation for the same play on ES is at 4,99025. It's like one of those things. I feel like ES VWAP and the first standard deviation are going to cross, and then ES is going to tap it, and then that might be the move for both ES and NQ.
Hold on, say that again. Say that again. What? Hold on, let me fucking put VWAP on this. Yeah.
4,99025. Or sorry, yeah, 4,99025. So 4,990.25.
Mine's at 494 on ES.
Currently, yes.
Okay.
But I
I
think
see.
when price finally does meet VWAP, it's going to be to the first standard deviation. Because right now VWAP is between 1 and 1.5 for ES. Which makes it a target.
Hmm. Hmm.
$30 seconds for the next 5 minute and 15-minute.
Shit. It's my fucking dump. So many wicks to the upside.
Second rejection off of the first standard deviation.
Hmm. At this point, I'm thinking about paper handing out. It's breaking the fucking trend. Guess we're waiting to break even. Be real unfortunate to take a fucking break-even trade here. At this point,
What's your
Fucking-
mental capital?
fucking, it's not bad, but it's fucking late. It's 3 a.m. over here. And fucking, I'm just getting annoyed that it fucking keeps on hitting that level and just never breaks through.
I know. I know.
This could be the sweep before we finally break through. But if it comes to our entry, I think it might be just done for. Luck stacking, the stop got hit. Might want the fucking low of day, dude. Unless this fucking wicks up.
Yeah. My mental capital's fucking toast, and I'm not even trading.
Yeah, this is a brutal one. Holding longs on a bearish day. It broke our uptrend is the fucking big problem here. But didn't want to get people out like luck stacking before fucking missiles. It'll be a cleaner setup with the trend tomorrow or the next day. You do have a point. At this point, I feel like I'm committed to this play, though. It's either break even or fucking the play works.
I feel like if you're committed to this play, it might be worth setting your hard stop and closing out. Like, I do see benefits to that, at least in regards to mental capital.
I'm trying to train myself not to use a stop loss and just fucking exiting out. Yeah, look at that. Fucking bump right back up. And they were just trying to shake out people like luck stacking. Poor luck stacking, man. Oh, my boy.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Okay.
my.
Look at that pump. Oh, my God, dude. Look at that candle. Just...
Poor fucking luck stacking, man. They do this to you just to fuck with you. And they fucked with me, too, dude. I think that'll fuck with almost anybody. But damn. Let's go. Straight to VWAP, baby. No fucking around here.
every time it's going up, Kyle.
VWAP!
Straight to VWAP, straight to VWAP. When it's going down, boys.
Oh, God. There's no fucking middle ground in fucking stonks, my boy.
You're either at your highest high
or your lowest low.
For real, dude. This shit fucking roller coasters your head. I mean, honestly, I'm not really feeling too much. I'm just thinking, I'm like, wow, like, fuck. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not, like, feeling like, oh, my God, ouch, that hurts so bad. You know what I mean? Not like I used to. Like, when I used to fucking take, like, 10, 20, $30,000 loss, I would fucking rage, dude. I'd be, like, fucking breaking my desk and shit. But nowadays, it's
Yeah,
just
I'm pretty
like,
pissed too.
fuck it, dude. Yeah, dude. I remember when I fucking had only $20,000, dude, and I was playing I think Apple options, and I was fucking driving home, and I'm like looking at my phone. I'm like, oh fuck, this looks like a sick play. So I fucking jump in it. I get home, and I'm minus 18 grand out of my 20 grand.
Holy
I
fuck.
was like, holy, I was like, no, I was like, fucking, I was like, I'm fucked. I'm like, I'm so fucked. You know what I mean? Like, thinking I was never gonna make any more money ever again in my life or some shit, dude. I was like, I'm broke. I'm fucked. You know what I mean? And then it goes to fucking break. No, I go up to like 3 grand profit on that trade from minus 18K to $3,000 profit. And I'm like, yes. And I'm fucking partying and shit. And then guess what happens?
No.
Yeah, dude, it came right back down on me. And I ate a $20,000.
Fuck, bro. I mean, all right, we reached into the zone between 1 and 1.5. Did we hit 50? We didn't hit 50, did we? Lowest lows, boys. Lowest lows. No in between. Dude, I would have closed. Not the position, but I mean, I would have just called it. Like, my mental capital is so fucking toast. I feel like it's getting to the point where I'm not able to think straight in regards to the charts. Like, I have my levels, like, again, that next level 1.5 standard deviation is 556, but damn, does it move quickly? Mm-hmm. That it's bearish. We can still hear you. Oh, but yeah, your recording won't. Liquidity was just added above on ES at 5,000. Yeah. Well, but ES is doing the same thing too. But we have some pretty gnarly bearish candles on the 5-minute on both ES and but all these fucking sell-offs are being bought back up. It's wild. But how long until it does, you know? So it's like for how long is it going to do this? And for how long can you deal with it, right? Then do it. No buts? What do you mean? Mm. Mhm. Yeah. What's that trend look like if you anchor it from the very bottom? That might be probably like the one that I would probably look at the most, at least. Right back up. Get ready for the highest highs. Oh man. That liquidity that was added at 5K got pulled. I want to see ES fucking push up to like closer to the 90s, like 88, 90 area. It was at the top. Yeah, you can see it. You would have got stopped out. It was at the top. It was all the way up there. I just want you to get your 10K out of this long. And then you can call it. It's mentally exhausting. And physically. I mean, ultimately, this shit drains you. 556 is the 1.5. I don't think I'm gonna make it because I gotta run. I'm out of here. I will keep an eye. I'll check up on you on my phone, but good luck. Here's the thing. I'm not praying for you in this trade. So that's a good thing. All right, boys. Have a good day.
Hello, hello, hello. Testing. Beautiful. All right. Need to get myself a plug-in mic instead of wireless ones. Note to self. Maybe when I'm in South Korea, I'll do that. Okay, let's get this pump. I'm gonna start scaling out here on this pump. But this seems like the pump that fucking goes hard. So yeah, let's wait for a key level 56. Yeah, I guess we could sell one at 56. Now it's gonna reject again. These drops are fucking brutal. Fuck, man. I almost think it wants the lows, too. It's been fucking around for way too long. Still holding our trend. There's no reason to get out. Fuck around as much as it wants, I guess. Here's a new 5-minute. Let's see the pump a pump. We really, really got to break through here. Good news is, if we break through here, this should be a decent sized pump. Maybe like 40 points. big if though, huh? Or the pump. Show no fear. Yeah, that's right, my boy. No fear. Show no fear. I wonder if we're waiting for this 15-minute to close and then we get a fucking giant green dildo. This rejects this high again, though. I feel like I kind of have to get out. It's just too many tests. Just barcoding so hard on a bearish day. I feel like it could just fucking dump right to the lows. All we're looking for is one more fatty pump. And then we're going to get out. Preferably at like 83. But that might take a long ass time. So we'll probably get out before then. It's 140. It's approaching power hour. Okay, breakthrough right fucking now. We're gonna be golden. I think I'm gonna put a hard stop. Right there. Let's see if our stop hits. We have 19 points for our stop. Could really sweep again and then blast up, but if that stops me out, I'm okay with that. They just gotta remember to fucking exit at market and cancel if we do get stopped out, because I'm not getting fucking rolled by an existing order again. Come on, break out right here, baby. Get that pump. That nasty fucking pump. Real close to our stop now. That trailing. That nasty pump. Runner, runner. Runner, runner. Do I sell one on this little pump? There's a double top. Can we break through? Yes, we broke through. Okay. All right, runner, let's go. LFG. That's 10 G's. Let's go. Can we go for 11? Whatever, we go higher. Just fucking... Now, since this broke out, we should get a decent little pump. This is the next resistance, or standard div, 56. Fucking punk this shit, man. Don't come down and stop me out, though. You don't need to do that. Sure, shit looks like it wants to. Just a little sweep of the highs. Oosh. $1,000 profit gone like that. I'm about to take this 9K. But I want my 10K. Nope, that was just a pullback. We're gonna keep pumping. Let's go. Let's go. Pump it. Pump it. Okay, we're approaching 56. Let's go. Alright, fuck it. I'm out for 10 G's. Fuck it. I don't trust this shit. We'll take the 10 G's and we'll be happy. That's a done deal. Locked it in. Only took a fuck long time, but we got it. We got 3,500, 3,700, 3,700 to make a $10,000 day. Actually, that's more than 10,000. How much is that? We got 3,700 times 2 plus 35. Oh shit, plus 3,500. That's like. That's 11K. I'll call this an 11K day. I like that. That was 11 G's. Let's fucking go. And I'm wondering if we dump off a cliff right here. Definitely not going to overtrade this. We're keeping the 10 G's and we're walking away happy. It didn't go to VWAP, but that's okay. Because that was a long shot anyways. I think we actually took profit at a good point because that is the 1.5 standard div on a bullish day. Getting 1.5 in longs, that's pretty good. I mean, with the shorts, you fucking hit 4.5 all day, which sucks that we didn't get it, but that's okay because we still made $10,000 fucking dollars. Wow! Let's go, boys. 4.4K? Sheesh, my boy made a little killing. Bashy, don't close those fucking charts. What about the shorts, Bashy, man? What happens when it breaks through the lows? Come on, Bashy, man. Just one more trade, man. One more trade. I'm kidding, yeah. Fuck this, dude. It's like 4 a.m. here. I'm going to bed. Even if this keeps on pumping, I don't give a shit because we still made 10,000 fucking dollars in one trade. What up, though? LFG. Good game. We did it, boys. We got our 10G play, 10G day, $10,000 in one trade, which just makes it that much cooler. Honestly, it would have been a lot easier making multiple trades, but then that opens up the door to a lot of mistakes. So I'm glad with what we have, and it's going to be good, even if it fucking keeps pumping without me. Because VWAP is still 60 points away, Jesus. And we had a 60-point trade right there, so that would have been 20 G's, which normally I probably would still keep holding, but man, this is such a bearish day that it's just a little sus. So I'm glad we took the profit and we're fucking done. Even though it has no sign of being bearish, still holding our trend. That's okay. It's okay. Leaving profit on the table is okay. We still made a shitload of fucking money. Wow. LFG. Okay. All done. GG's, boys. Fucking A. We got it. And we are out. Peace.